Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of skipping breakfast or grabbing something unhealthy on your way out the door? Well, today I'm going to show you how to whip up 3 delicious and super healthy breakfast smoothies, and the best part? Each one takes just 1 minute to make. Let's get blending. First up is my go-to for a serious energy boost, the banana spinach smoothie. Don't worry, you can't even taste the spinach. Into your blender, add 1 whole banana, a generous handful of fresh spinach, 2 tablespoons of oats for that slow-release energy, and 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter for protein. Top it all off with 1 cup of your favorite milk. I'm using regular milk today, but almond or soy works great too. Now just blend it until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. This smoothie is absolutely packed with fiber and protein, setting you up for a productive and energized day. Next, let's make something that will make your skin glow from the inside out, the berry yogurt smoothie. This one is bursting with antioxidants. Start with 1 cup of frozen mixed berries. Using frozen fruit makes the smoothie extra thick and cold. Add half a cup of Greek yogurt for a protein punch and a creamy texture, 1 tablespoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. Pour in 1 cup of almond milk, then blend it all up until you have this gorgeous, vibrant purple smoothie. It's so creamy, a little bit tangy, and absolutely perfect for supporting your immune system and getting that healthy glow. Last but not least, we have the avocado green smoothie. This one is all about healthy fats to keep you full and satisfied for hours. In your blender, combine half an avocado. This is the secret to an incredibly creamy texture. 1 banana for sweetness, another handful of spinach for those greens, and if you want an extra protein kick, add 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. I'm using a vanilla one today. Finally, pour in 1 cup of oat milk. Blend until it's unbelievably smooth and creamy. This smoothie is so refreshing and satisfying. It is the perfect way to fuel your body with healthy fats and keep those hunger pangs at bay until lunchtime. And there you have it. 3 incredible smoothies made in just 3 minutes, giving you endless energy to conquer your day. I hope you give these a try. Don't forget to save this video so you can come back to it for your morning routine. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and let me know in the comments which smoothie you're most excited to make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.